First 5 on UP, Sherbedel, Tang Chongko, Taptanes, Wonder Boy, and ball game. Position tayo. NU ball, first position NU. Violation. Chantenko. Back to De La Cruz. To Chantenko. Attempt. De La Cruz. 14 to shoot. Back to Chantenko. First basket. Stepping on the line. White ball. UP against NU, our first game. It's the third game. Wonder Boy to the line. Steal by De La Cruz. Turnover again by NU Bulldogs. De Los Santos. Paso De Los Santos. Bang! On De Los Santos. Go! Guarded to Tuanes. Go! Coast to coast. Strong move. Rebound again by Go! Move! Go! Attack! Go! Block by De Los Santos. Tuanes. It's 3-2. Tuanes top up. Looking for Tuango. Attack! Still by Escobel again. Escobel to Chantenko. Stop up. Looking for... No! Turnover. Dilos Reyes big. Nice move. Wow! What a blast. What a defense by Escobel. De La Cruz. Nice. De La Cruz. Yes, on De La Cruz. Now 3-2. 1 point lead by UP. Dilos Reyes again. Too strong. Rebound by Chantenko. De Los Santos. Out! Chantenko. 4-3. 1 point lead now against NU. Wow! What a move by the strong guy, Tuango. 5-4. 1 point lead now by UP. Escobel, steal by Tuanes. De Los Santos again. De Los Santos to Tuango. De Los Santos again. De Los Santos is secure by Bang! Wonder Boy! 8-4. 4 point lead now against UP. Go! Guarded by Tuanes. Foul on number 18 Tuanes. First on Tuanes. First team foul against UP. 7 minutes. Chantenko. Short. Rebound by Bigay Tuango. Tuango again. Coast to coast. Nice defense foul. Oh! Basket count and 1 against the Tuango. Now 10-4. Who's foul up? Foul on Go. First on Go. First team foul. NU. Bonus. Shot by Tuango. Short. Rebound by Go. Our score 10-4. 6 point lead against UP. Go. Pass to Chantenko. Guarded by Tuanes. 10 to shoot. Escobel. What a move by Escobel. 10-6 now. 4 point lead by UP. 6 minutes. Wonder Boy. Pass to De Los Santos. Nice pass outside. Sherbedel. Back to Tuango. Too strong. Rebound by Tuanes. Again foul, basket kuha to Tanes. Foul on Esquivel. First on Esquivel, second team foul against NU. 6 minutes. Oh, Tutanes. 13-6. 7-point lead now against UP. Chanchenko, to go. Back to Chanchenko. Chanchenko again, looking for De La, nice fake, De La Cruz. Oh, De La Cruz. Back to 5-point lead by UP. 13-8, 5 minutes, 30 seconds. And Chonko again, drives, shows to goes, nice defense by Go. Yeah, Chanchenko. Nothing can stop by Chanchenko, 15-8. Chanchenko, pass to Go. Go, attempt for 3. Oh, in and out. 3 ball by Sermedel. Looking for the Wonder Boy. Sermedel active po sa point guard. To Tutanes. Ready by Go. To De Los Santos. Nice pass to Tutanes. Back to Sermedel. Wow, Sermedel. 8-17. 9-point lead by UP. 4 minutes, 50 seconds. De La Cruz. Too strong. Rebound again by Sermedel. To Tantoko. Nice defense by De La Cruz. 1-on-1 by Tantoko. De La Cruz. Oh, steal by De La Cruz. Go. Yes, on. Go. 10-17. To Tantoko. Looking for Sermedel. Steal again by Chanchenko. Foul. Foul on Sermedel on UP. Timeout! NU! Our score, 10 against 17. UP lead by 7. Steal! Chanchenko drive. Nice pass. Foul! Foul on number 14, Wonder Boy. First on Wonder Boy. 13 foul on UP. Chanchenko. Pass to Esquivel. Pass outside. De La Cruz. Oh! De La Cruz! De Los Santos. Kali pa De La Cruz. De Los Santos again. To Tutanes. Tutanes by Esquivel. Tutanes side step. Short. Rebound now again by Sermedel. Short. Oh! NU ball. NU. Nice defense against NU. 3 minutes, 30 seconds, 17-12, 5-point lead by UP. Intercepted by the Shonkai. Tantoko goes to go, zigzag goes one, goal! 19-12 now, 7-point lead by UP. Go, drive, go, attack, go, spin, go, pin. Back by Tutanes. Chanchenko, yes, Chanchenko. 19-14, back to point lead by UP. Wonder Boy. Too strong. De Los Santos. Steal again by NU. To Chanchenko, it's 2-2. Chanchenko to go. Nice take. Too strong by Go. Sermedel to De Los Santos. Fake. Stop. Pump. Foul! Bang! And one by De Los Santos. Foul on Esquivel. Second personal foul on Esquivel. Third team foul against NU. Warning on Esquivel. Only 3-point shot against UP. But score 22-14. 8-point lead by UP. Chanchenko to Esquivel. Back to Chanchenko. 14 to shoot. Nice move by Chanchenko. Escape. Back to Esquivel. Open jumper. Yeah, Esquivel. 22-16. Back to 6-point lead by UP. 2 minutes. Wonder Boy. Pass to Sir Medel, Sir Medel. Sir Medel, escape. Foul! Foul on De La Cruz. Warning for penalty on NU. Warning for penalty on NU. First on De La Cruz. Inbounding Sir Medel to Wonderboy, to Tutanes, oh, De La Santos, nice pass down time to Atuango! Nice, 24-16 now, back to 8-point lead by the UP. Go, Cardi Tutanes, go to Chantenko, to De La Cruz. Too strong, rebound by Sir Medel, his third rebound on the game. Intercepted again by Edu. 1 minute 16 seconds. Nice move, De La Cruz. Oh, go. Wow, go. Power move by Go. 24-18. Los Santos, stop pump. Short air ball. Rebound by Chantenko. It's 2-2 now. 3-on-2, Chantenko move, Chantenko to... Nice to Esquivel to the Chantenko. Chantenko move, Chantenko, 3-second violation on NU. 45 seconds. 18-24, still favor of UP. Short. Good ball. Shermanel. Time to shoot. Nice move. Too strong. 1-on-1. Chantenko. Intercepted by Tutanes. Tutanes. Pass to Chantenko. Last pass. Pow. Foul on number 2. Now NU in penalty. 18 seconds, 18.
Sa'yo ba?
16 seconds, 16.
Ano ba sabi siya?
15 seconds. 10. 5. And our first quarter score. Inbounding Redon to De Torres. De Torres to Rai to Carusale. Airball. Inbound by Presido. To Viaje. Defense by De Torres. Andaya to Shuttleworth. Nice pass outside to Viaje. Pick. Viaje to... Nice defense by UP. 9 minutes, 32 seconds. 18-24, a score, 6-point lead by UP. Umakop, side step, umakop to right, open jumper, yes, alright! 26-18, 8-point lead now by UP. Shuttleworth. Lord, pass, intercepted again by Carusale. Umakop, escape, Umakop. 28-18. Still again by UP. Stop pump, Carusale, pump, foul. Foul on Andaya. First on NU, first personal foul against Andaya. Basket tayo out, basket tayo out. Rebound by Shuttleworth. Looking for Bustamante. Bustamante. To Andaya. Di Torres. Dito yung Torres to Carusale. Carusale! In and out. Rendon, foul. Foul on number 24. Timeout! MU! 8 minutes 24 seconds. 28-18. 29-18. Now 9-point lead against UP Maroons. 30-18. 12-point lead now. NU. UP. Bustamante. Kaling by Forest. Back to Shuttleworth. Shuttleworth to Biahe. Biahe. Back to Shuttleworth. Nice fake. Nice steal. Shuttleworth. 10 to shoot. Biahe. Nice pass. Andaya. Yes! Andaya! Di Torres. Di Forest. To Rai. Rai is coming. Intercepted by Biahe. Biahe. Biahe to Bustamante. Bustamante. Looking for Biahe. Biahe. Stop up. Biahe. Back to Bustamante. Too strong. Rebound by Umakov. Umakov. Steal. Andaya again. Andaya rebound. Andaya to Bustamante. Bustamante. Pop. Jump. Up to Biahe. Downside. Galang. Yes! On Galang. 30-22. 8-point lead now by UP. Steal. Bustamante. It's 2 to Biahe. Biahe. Biahe move. Short. Umakov, it's 3-on-1. Umakov, pass to Ray. Ray to Rendon. 32-22. Back to 10-point lead by UP. Nice move, Galang. Short block by Rendon. Umakov. Biahe. Biahe. Biahe to Shuttleworth. Steal by Umakov. Umakov. Umakov to Di Torres. Di Torres. To Carusale. Stop. Carusale! 6 minutes 32 seconds. 32 against 22. Shuttleworth. Back to Biahe. Nice pass. Galang. Too strong. Galang again. Galang fake. Block by Rendon. Rebound by Cummins. Carusale, it's 4-on-2. Carusale, pass to Di Torres. Nice pass, Umakov. Foul. Foul on Shuttleworth. Second personal foul on Shuttleworth. Second team foul against NU. Thirty-two to 22. 5 minutes 50 seconds. Galang to Biahe. Biahe. Pass to Bustamante. Looking for Andaya. Andaya. 14 to shoot. Galang. Yes! Oh, Sir Galang. 24 to 33 now. Umakov. Stop up. Umakov drive. Pass to Carusale. Back to Ray. Ray Cummins. Ray. Stop up. To Rendon. 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 Nice defense naman by Bulldogs.
Tawa tayo!
Andaya to Shuttleworth. To Bustamante. Bustamante to Andaya. Andaya. 5 minutes. Back to Shuttleworth. Shuttleworth to Bustamante. 10 to shoot. 8 to shoot now. 8 to shoot.
Tao! Hanap ka sa'yo, ganun sali!
33 to 24. 9-point lead by UP. 8 to shoot. Biyahe. Tugalang. 5. White ball. Nice defense against UP. 4 minutes 27 seconds. Comments. Short. Di ba may biyahe? Biyahe. Galang. Galang.
Pre, buka! 5 seconds!
Paolo, number 29, ng Gadosale. First on Gadosale, first team foul by UP. Biyahe. 10 to shoot. Comments? Foul. Foul on Biyahe. Third team foul against NU. First personal foul on Biyahe. 33 to 24, 9-point lead by UP. 3 minutes 34 seconds, second quarter. Di Torres. To Mako, our running MVP. Mako pass to Cummins. Too strong, Cummins again. Rebound by Galang. Looking for the point guard, Satulort. Satulort now. Karibeko Rosale. Satulort. To Andaya, to Bustamante, open jump! In and out, Rindon to Umakov drive, nice defense. Oh, ito sa again. Same ball. 2 minutes 56 seconds, 24 against to 33. 9-point lead against UP. Steal! Kickball.
Gilang.
Ten to shoot. Di Torres. Adusale. In and out. Di pa Beridon. Di Torres. Foul. Foul on number 20 Biyahe. Warning for penalty on NU. Second personal foul against Biyahe. 2 minutes 12 seconds. Di Torres. Carusale. Bang! Oh, Carusale! 36 to 24. 12 point again by UP. 1 minute 50 seconds. Foul. Oh! Troubling violation by Galang. 1 minute 45 seconds.
Tingin sa bola.
Di Torres, drive. Wow! Basket count and one on Di Torres. Foul on Satulort. Third on Satulort. Now NUN penalty. 1 minute 35 seconds. 38 to 24. 1 minute 35 seconds.
Ilan yung foul ni Satulort, sir? Tatlo na?
Umakov to Rindon. Steal by Sir Galang. To Biyahe. To Sir Galang. Steal again by Di Torres. Bang! Oh! Carusale. 1 minute.
Ready?
Wala na, patayo.
Shorts. Rebound Bustamante. 50 seconds. Steal again by white shirts. DeForest. Stop, pump, pull up jumper, short. DeForest again. Nice pass. 30 seconds. 15. 10. And of our second quarter scored 42.
Ilan yung players dun sa kabila?
12 lang? Ayan, dalawa. Basilio Ansali.
Esquivel.
Amin. Wala.
Talia.
Tutanes. To Ansale. Steal by Chantengo.
Bagal, magulang sa lalim.
Go. Chantengo again. What a move! What a shot by Chantengo. 44 to 28. Now 2 minutes 24 seconds. Third quarter. Tutanes. Guarded by Chantengo. Tutanes to Tantongo. Drive, strong move. Nice defense by Go. Rebound by Go. Go again. Two to go. Go. Attack. Go. Yes on go. 30 to 44. Now 14-point lead by UP. Tutanes. Drive, attack, stop, pump. Tutanes looking for his teammates. Tutanes again. Nice steal by Richard. Behind. 8 minutes 39 seconds. Los Santos to Tantongo. In and out. Rebound by Go. Go to Chantenko. Chantenko again. Chantenko now. Guarded by Tutanes. Chantenko drive to Biahe. Biahe scoop shot short. Rebound by Tutanes. Tutanes now. To De Los Santos. Steal by... It's 3-on-1. De La Cruz. Tantongo to Basilio. Basilio to De Los Santos. Steal by Biahe. Tutanes again. Tutanes to De Los Santos. Fake. Pass to Basilio. In out. Ansale. Yes. On the small guy. Ansale. Go again. Go coast to coast. Looking for Esquivel. De La Cruz. Nice fake. De La Cruz drive. Open jump. De La Cruz too strong. Di balagan to ang Tuwangko. Nice defense by Chantenko. 46 to 30. 16-point lead by UP. Chantenko. Guarded by Tutanes. Esquivel. Go. Nice move. Basket down and won by Go. Foul on Basilio. First on Basilio. First team foul against UP. Top by Biahe. Go again. Guarded by Ansale. Go. 1-on-1. Coast to coast. Go! What a great move again, guy by Go. 46 to 34, 12-point lead by UB de Los Santos. Nice defense by Go. Go to Chantengo. Chantengo now, coast to coast, left-handed Chantengo. Timeout. Oh, UP.
Ay, yung pagod eh. Hindi na nila.
Basilio.
Buka isa.
Tututanes. De Los Santos. 10 to shoot. Same ball. 5 minutes 50 seconds.
Hoy, nalapas!
Okay.
Oh, Unibul and you. Bang! De La Cruz! 46 to 39 now! 7-point lead, pow! Foul on De La Cruz. 46 to 39. Second personal foul on De La Cruz. First team foul and you.
Tigit. Tigit.
Puti pala yung ano.
47 to 39. Back to 8-point lead by UP. Chantengo. De La Cruz again. Escape. Wow! De La Cruz! Back-to-back shot by Abby Bam De La Cruz. 5 minutes. Ansale. Antok again. Gary by Go. Foul. Foul on number 20. Substitution there up. Substitution. Who's foul left number?
20.
Foul on number 20.
Biyahe.
Biyahe.
Second personal foul.
Second personal foul on Biyahe. Second team foul against NU. Basket timeout there rep. Basket timeout. Biyahe. De La Cruz. Chantengo. Steal by Di Torres. Nice pass at Sale. Tutuango. Intercepted by Chantengo. Chantengo to Escobel. Escobel to De La Cruz. Nice move by De La Cruz. Steal by Ansare. Biyahe again. Back to Biyahe. To Chantengo. 10 to shoot. Biyahe. Foul.
Hoy, kisa nagsiko na mo!
Foul on number 2. Timeout. And you. Ansale. Substitution rep. Foul on number 29.
9 lang.
9. On go. Sub.
Kita ni. Kita ni.
7-point lead by UP. Yan out. Lapit pa yung go. Nice pick. De La Cruz. Nice pick again. Bang! De La Cruz. 52-47. The hand De La Cruz. Il Granada de la Cruz. Bang! 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 Oh, Mako! 55-47. Steal by Anzale. Anzale. Same ball. 1 minute 30 seconds. 55-47, 8-point lead against UP. Di Torres. Strong, rebound by Shuttleworth. Go. 1 minute 10 seconds. Go again, go. Nice move by Go. Wow! Go! 55-49, 6-point lead by UP. 1 minute. 14 to shoot. 10 to shoot.
Nice one.
All right. 45 seconds. Wow! Foul on number 20, comments. 13 foul on UP, 39 seconds.
Dami pa ilang. Oo eh, dami mo.
Nice ball, white ball.
Konti nila.
34 seconds.
Tapos na laro.
30 seconds.
Nice pass.
15 seconds, 15. 10. 7 seconds. And of the game, basket not count.
Nice D.
Oh, Chajongo, 57 to 50, 9 minutes 40 seconds, 7-point lead now by UP. Di Torres. Nice pass, nice out. Rindon. Back to Pumakov, Di Torres. Nice pass, steal. Oh, Chanchenko. Yes, oh, Chanchenko, 52 to 57. 5-point lead now by UP. Pumakov.
Labas ha! Nasa raw, may bumubelo sa likod mo. Cutter sa ilalim.
Di Torres.
Layo yan.
Too strong. Rebound by Dikakus. Santenko, one-on-one. Nice defense by Di Torres.
Uncheck, tapos kailangan ako. Momentum natin.
Sila Cruz.
Pasok mo, Lazaro.
Wow! Alam mo, 54 to 57. 3-point lead by UP.
Dalawa nyo kanila.
Umakop. Nice pass. Tantong goal! 59 to 54. Back to 5-point lead against UP. 8 minutes.
Pasok mo! Yun na!
Bang! 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 Goal! 57-59, 2-point lead now by UP. Foul. Foul on Bustamante. First team foul on NU. Substitution rep, sub-rep.
Bigay kayo ng screen, ha?
Di Torres. Umakaw, Pak Di Torres. Bang! 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 Di Torres! 62 to 57. 7 minutes. Go, go. Go drive, go. Paku Chantenko, Chantenko. Chantenko, time to shoot. De La Cruz. Attack, De La Cruz. Yes, on De La Cruz. 62 to 59. 3-point lead by UP. Julius Santos, tangka move. Intercepted. Jump ball. NU ball. NU. Sub-rep, 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 sub.
Kunin mo na.
Inbound in Lazaro to Chantenko. 6 minutes 20 seconds. Nice defense by UP.
Pre, yung fast break nila dito, ha?
Umako. Guarded by Chantenko. Tutanes. Back to Umako. To Di Torres. Di Torres. Hesitating. 10 to shoot. Short. Rebound by Go. Go to Chantenko. Go. Nice ball. Lazaro. Yes! Lazaro! 62 to 61. 1-point lead now against UP. Chantenko. Strong foul. Foul on number 30 on De La Cruz. Warning on number 1 for second motion. Foul on De La Cruz. Second team foul against NU. Third personal foul on De La Cruz. Foul. Foul on Go. Second personal foul against Go. Third on NU.
Malingas siya ni Kaya Talia, ha? Talia.
61 against 62. Inbound by Go.
Tikwan na yung one.
Lazaro. Traveling violation. Lazaro. Turnover against NU. Siya.
Ay, masunod sila ko.
Foul. Foul on Bustamante. Warning on NU. Warning on NU. Second personal foul on Bustamante.
Dilam pala iti. Solid dilam, solid ding. Screen. Okay.
17 to shoot. 7 shoot. 7 to shoot. 7 to shoot. 7 to shoot. 7 to shoot. Bang! 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 On De Los Santos! 65 to 61. De La Cruz. Oh! De La Cruz! De Los Santos. Back to Makog. 10 to shoot. Yes! On to Tanner! 63 to 67. Back to 4-point lead by UP. Go! Inbound by two Tanner. 3 minutes! Antong Kuagan, escape! Duago! Inilot! Ibalot ni Duago, Lazaro! Lazaro to De La Cruz, De La Cruz! De La Cruz again, De La Cruz, like that, De La Cruz escape, Mark, back! Pass to Lazaro, Lazaro! Lazaro to Chantenko, Chantenko back! Chantenko! Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, Chantenko, time out! Oh, UP! UP, 5. Di Torres. Foul. Ang sportsmanlike foul on De Los Santos. Technical foul on De Los Santos.
Dalawa.
Uy, five! Five!
Shoot, shoot.
Take time.
2 minutes 19 seconds. 2 minutes 19 seconds.
Talya.
Pre, buka!
Lazaro. To De La Cruz, to Chantenko. Last 2 minutes. The ball. 67 to 67 to 66. 1 point lead by UP. Tutanes. Kali De La Cruz. Pau. Foul on go penalty.
Third personal foul.
Third personal foul on go.
Wala pa kayong foul.
Talya, slowly, slowly.
68 to 66, 66. Bustamante. Oh! 24 seconds.
No foul lang, one foul.
10 to shoot. Foul on Chantenko. Penalty direct. Penalty. Foul on Chantenko. Penalty direct. Penalty direct. Rep. Penalty direct.
Ayun!
Ray, thrower, ay, thrower. Box, box.
Wait, Tony! Wait!
1 minute 11 seconds. 69 to 68. 1 point lead by UB. Oh! Steal! Oh! Black! Ice defense by Chantenko. Lazaro. To Bustamante. Go! Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, go! 71 to 69. 42 seconds. 40 to shoot. Umako. 10 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Foul!
Hindi na ba yun? Wala hands mo yun? Wala hands mo yun? Wala.
Uy, wala! Wala katawan!
Sir, pumapasok sa loob, oh.
Pero, tinagyan
28 seconds. 28 seconds. 28 seconds. 2 free throw. 2 free throw on Chantenko. 2 free throw. Normal foul. Normal foul tayo.
Sir, tinagyan yun.
Normal foul tayo. Normal foul.
Sir, pumasok yung ano. Pumasok ka sa kabilang ano. Sir, tinagyan naman, sir.
Normal foul tayo. Normal foul.
Hoy, tayo mo dyan!
2 free throw. 2 free throw up.
Hoy!
28 seconds. 28. 28 seconds.
Hey, may isa.
26 seconds.
28 seconds.
28.
Time out on NU.